Techy technicians are some of the best in the industry. Whether it's a cracked screen, a water-damaged phone, or a battery that just won't hold a charge anymore, we've seen it all. If it has a button, we fix it. We don't just repair phones. We restore your peace of mind. Our goal is simple: to turn your frustration into relief and get you back to what matters most. With same-day repairs for most issues, we're committed to solving your problem as quickly as possible, without cutting corners.
At Techy, it's not just about fixing a device. It's about reconnecting you to the moments that matter: your family, your business, your life. And the best part? Techy is right where you need us. Many of our locations are conveniently inside Walmart, making it easy to drop off your device while you shop and pick it up good as new before you leave.
We use only high-quality parts, and our technicians are trained to the highest standards, so you can trust that your device is in good hands. We don't just repair phones. We ensure they're reliable, safe, and performing at their best. Thousands of happy customers have trusted Techy to repair their devices. They come to us stressed and leave with a smile. That's the Techy promise.